is our enemy. That math is our enemy.
Ang hirap ng math.
Every number is felt like a wall. I tried, I failed, I erase and erase again. But math didn't ask me to be perfect. It asked me to keep going and going, to think, to try and try again. One problem at a time, I started to see it. Every mistake was teaching me something. Sa bawat mali, natututo ako. Sa bawat pagsubok, mas tumitibay ako. Math was never an enemy. It was training me to believe in myself.
Hey everyone! Today, I will be presenting a discussion on problems involving angle pairs formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal with a specific focus on same-side interior angles, presented by Cassandra Isabel de Assis from grade 9 NARA. So to start, let's define our term. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points. When this transversal intersects two parallel, it creates a several specific angle relationship, such as corresponding, alternate interior, and alternate exterior angle. So what is corresponding? Corresponding, these are in the same relative position in each intersection. Yung alternate, interior, these are between the parallel lines but on opposite side of a transversal. An alternate exterior, these are outside and parallel or on the opposite side of a transversal. Same side interior angles, these are inside the parallel lines and on the same side of a transversal. Next, the same side. The fundamental property we need to remember is that when lines are parallel, these same inside interior angles are supplementary. So this means the sum of their measure is exactly 180. So let's apply this to a property to a problem. If the same side interior angles formed by parallel lines and transversal are 4x and 5x, what is the value of x? To solve this, we use the consecutive interior angles theorem. So we can set up the following. 4x plus 5x equals to 180 degrees. First, we need to combine like terms, like 4 plus 5 equals 9. So 9x plus 9x equals 180 degrees. Next, we isolate x by dividing both sides by a transversal. So 180 divided by 9 is equals to 20. So the x is equals to 20. Therefore, the value of x is 20. So to conclude, when dealing with a same-side interior angles formed by parallel lines, always remember their supplementary relationship. By setting some of their algebraic expression to 180 degrees, we can efficiently solve for any unknown variables. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you learned something meaningful and valuable in this lesson. Thank you.